What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Infinite Nerdism here. So I got my chicken Deadpools and Thor Ragnarok Sdcc pops. Let's start with the bad and with the good. So the bad chicken Deadpools were actually the ones that came in pretty decent packing. I'm not gonna do an unboxing here. So in the box were those plastic air packets, and what it looked like is they were face down and someone put one on top and then closed the box. So the back of them got pretty dented in. You see that? You can see you can see that groove there. Not so good. This one's the worst one. And even the bottom got a little popped little groove, whatever. But I think the worst part for me, I don't think it's gonna translate well on the video, but there is like fingerprints on here, like something you would get from like eating something and then grabbing a pop. You can kind of see that, the fingerprints. Yeah. So that's kind of, I don't know if somebody was messing, eating chicken and then grabbing my pops and put them in the boxes and then stuffing them like this. This second one I got isn't as grooved in. You still have a little bit of a pop open, not too bad, but it's not as deep as the other one. Chicken Deadpool right there. The only one I got from this set is Chicken Deadpool. I didn't want to go crazy and start buying all of them. So I'm going to open the damaged one just to show you the Chicken Deadpool. Pop itself is pretty cool. I was like, that's dope, right? He's eating a bucket of chicken, holding a drumstick, dressed in a chicken suit. Deadpool is the man. Even got the chicken feet, man. That's pretty cool. Of course, it's the Marvel, so it's a bobblehead. There it is. There it is. Right there. Perfect. Overall, pretty cool looking pop. So that's it. The two pops I got. And that's the damages on them. Yeah. And then funny enough, the other ones, the Thor ones that I have right here, those didn't have any packing whatsoever and came out in mint condition. Perfect condition. And that's this guy. The Thor Sdcc from Thor Ragnarok. I believe the official name for it is the Odin Force Thor. Doesn't say it on the box, but that's what it's labeled on there on Stashpedia. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let me see if I can pop one open. Boxes came in mint condition. Couldn't ask for more. So that's a dope looking pop, man. His eye, of course. Sister took out his eye. But you have the lightning around the arm, or back of the arms through the hands, bobblehead, this little cape there. But that's pretty dope, man. I like this one a lot. I have to do like a glow test. I do not have a UV light for all my glow pops. I need to buy one. I know they're not that expensive, but yeah. Odin Force Thor Sdcc. That's pretty dope. Let's put this back. And of course, I had to grab two of these bad boys. So it's Odin Force Thor and Chicken Deadpool. Which one is your favorite out of the two? Let me know in the comments down below. Which ones did you get for Sdcc that you really wanted, that you thought was cool? Anybody who ordered Chicken Deadpool, let me know if yours came like these, like kind of weird and didn't package them right. I am expecting the Flash Box Lunch Sdcc pretty soon. Chrono Toys Chrome Mystery Box is coming out. Oh, and I was able to grab one of those Funko Shop Box of Fun from the Funko Fun Days, the ones in the locker. I was able to grab one. Haven't got a cancellation one yet, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it. It's going to take a couple weeks for that. But that's going to be amazing. Some Freddy Funko chances, maybe some prototype chances. But that's going to be really cool. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Take care. Hope you got a bunch of stuff from Sdcc. Mine was very limited to the Thor, the Red Hoods, and the Flash. I really wanted the Flash Chrome 3-pack, but I missed out. I slept in that day. That didn't work out. Follow me at Infinite Nerdism somewhere right here down below. And until next time, guys, have a good one.